How to add photos to Facebook album without posting them. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, simply go ahead and open Facebook application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your Facebook account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. And from here, simply go ahead and tap on your profile. Now once you land in your profile, simply select Photos. And from here, simply select Albums. Now go ahead and tap on Create Album. Now in this page, go ahead and give your album a name. And make sure anyone on or off Facebook is set to only me. And then tap on Done. Now once you have set your privacy to only me, simply tap on Save at the top right corner. And just like so, you have created your album name Hello. Now in order to add photos or video to the album, tap onto it and then tap on Add Photos and Videos. Now once you do so, it will lead you to your gallery. From here, go ahead and select the photo that you like to upload in the album. And once done, simply tap on Done at the top right corner. Now once you are here, simply you can go ahead and write any captions. And after that, simply go ahead and tap on Upload at the top right corner. And just like so, you'll then be able to add photos and videos to the album without posting them on Facebook. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. And stay tuned until our next upload.